All right, we're going to talk about setting up Tidio for each of our client accounts. This is a really nice software that allows you to automate the email capturing part of the first probably 3 or 4 replies, and it's free for the first several hundred chats. So most of our clients are probably going to want to use this. What we typically do is we set up an account for free. Oh, my problem is it's remembered my browser. So open up a new browser that's incognito and then click use it for free. We're going to register using an email address. This is what we're going to do. So Paul plus, what's this client? Yofit?
Yes.
At weadvertiseyourbusiness.com. This allows me to get the 2-factor authentication, but also creates a new email and username that their system won't recognize. Paste in the URL, and this should allow you to create a free account. After we create the account, of course, we're going to add each other. But what's her name? Marie?
Marie. Yep.
How do you spell it?
M-A-R-I-E.
Okay, Marie. What is the color of her website? It's like a greenish. So that would be good. Continue. This is their web address. The industry is food. Yeah, that's probably the best one. Hit continue. Hit continue. And then we get to install it. So we could do the WordPress installation.
This is that precise one.
Copy. They want us to put it in the footer, it looks like. I'd rather just put it in the head section. So once you get the code, go to the website, put it into the head section. Oh, shoot. All right, we're going to go to this browser. We're going to have the code to log in. It's taking forever to load that page. Should be faster than that. I'm not sure what's going on. Weird. Her website literally is broken right now. The site finally loaded on the back end. You get to log in. And then once you're logged in, all we need to do is find the plugin that lets you add code into the head section and paste it. Hit save, and after you've done that, we should be able to move on to the next step here. Cool. Now that the code's installed, we're going to set up some of this automation. Typically, this is the one that we use. First visit on site. So if someone comes to the website, what are you going to do? This is what we're going to edit. So they have these kind of prefabricated steps, and I generally think they're all pretty good things to do. So, I mean, the first thing that we want to do is write something. What is it that you think she would want to know? I'm guessing that she's going to... Do you have any questions about the product?
Yeah.
Right? Yes. Cool. So save. Once you get that done, it's going to move on to the next step. If you can imagine someone sees this, then they say yes or no. Based on the reply no, we're just going to say something simple. Let us know if you need anything. If they say yes, we're going to ask them, could you provide us phone number, email address so we can get in touch with you in case we get disconnected. I even would say maybe we give them It might even be better to do like a free shipping code.
So that's what she wants to do. So retargeting, she wants to do. So the first thing is 20% off new customers. Is the first one, and then retargeting, she wants to give them free shipping. So the next one we can set up, if someone comes back, we could offer free shipping.
Cool. That's even better. That's a much better offer than do you have any questions about our product?
Right.
Same concept though. If they say no, you just thank you. If you say yes, we simply need to ask them for the email address. Which email address can I send the promo code to? Right? And then we're going to overall remove phone number. Here. And we're going to remove it. So it just asks for email. It's the only option, right? So email. That's what the button will say. You know what? We don't even need this anymore. Because this can go straight to, do you want the first thing? Excellent. I don't know why it's saying that. It's saying click to repair. Okay, it appears to be a little confused because we deleted a question, and I think it's easier just to build a new one. Email.
No.
Why does it keep saying that? Okay, so I think we've actually fixed this. Where they answer with their email address. They say, yes, I want the promo code. You ask for their email address, they give it to you, and then we write an automatic reply. What's the promo code? Does she know it yet?
No.
Might be easier just to give them a promo code.
Yeah.
That way they don't leave the browser and then we lose the pixel for cookie tracking. I'll create it. Let's say 20 off. Cool. Because I can create a promo code on their end. Generation, edit. And then the last part is some kind of a notification. So we definitely want a lead has been acquired to be notifying people. But I also want a second action to email her so she gets all of these leads. What's Marie's email?
Marie@yahoo.com.
There you go. So we're just basically formatting what we want to send her. That's it. So once you're finished, send an email. Does not have any input. Please fill in the information. Let's actually just make this be the direct one. There we go. I think I know why it was breaking earlier, because you can't pull up, otherwise the arrow is going up. It needs to go down.
Oh, like, yeah.
That's why we kept getting, because it was basically like a negative feedback loop is broken, because you were going up instead of down. The answer from here supplies downward.
It has to go down from each or across, whatever it is.
I think we're going to have success this time around. Once it's done, you can test it out, and it shows you a little form of what it would look like on a website. So if you're a first-time visitor, it says, hello, do you want a 20% off promo code? Yes or no? Yes. What's your email address? Promo code's 20 off. Excellent. Now what would happen on the back end is Marie gets an email with this email address. It's exactly what we want. So that's it. Tidio is now installed on the site and should have that automated question, and we should be good to go. I think she talked about doing some other things, but it's going to be the same basic process for all of them.